Hello class. So in this video I wanted to show you the final story project assignment location in Canvas. So once you locate it in the major assignments module, you open up the final story project final exam, and this is what you'll find. So this here gives you an overview of what the final story project entails. I'll be creating a video explaining the assignment with a little more detail in the announcement section. So look in the announcement section and find the announcement on the final story project, and there will be a video there explaining it. For this, I just wanted to show you the different documents that are located in the assignment. So here you have the final story project overview and instructions. So if you open this document, it is specifically just directions and an overview for the assignment. So here you have an overview, and then if you scroll down, it talks about the actual presentation instructions. And if you continue on, it gives you the different options that I'll explain in the other video in the announcements. Also, for you to submit your script and some tips as far as the presentation and what you want to submit. So that is the instructions. That's the file for that. We continue down, some more explanation here, and then the actual final story planning documents. These two documents you must submit with your final story. So these are required, and you do get points, and you are graded on these planning documents. If you open these planning documents up, you will notice there are two. One of them focuses on purpose and career pathway. I need you to download these specific files and just type your responses in the box. Remember, be as detailed as you can. Information that you provide in your planning documents can substitute if you miss the information in your actual presentation. So I'll be looking at both your planning documents and your presentation for your grade. So it is very important for you to be detailed in your responses on these planning documents for those two reasons. One, so that you earn full points on the planning documents section of the assignment. And two, in case you miss something in your presentation, but you list it in your planning document, I will give you the benefit of the doubt and you will not lose points on that section. So the first part of the planning document 1, is purpose and career pathway. The second planning document, which is located here, is going to cover your academic pathway. Again, you're going to download this actual file and just type your answers in here, save it, and submit it with your final story. And that is all for planning document number 2, is the academic pathway. So it has questions for you to include information, so I will go over that again in a different video. And you actually will submit your assignment here when you are ready to do so. I hope this video helped, and please again double check with the announcements. I will post a video there for you explaining more information about the final story.